Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. So guys, today I'm bringing you this amazing recipe on how to make meat pie. So today I'm showing you how to make meat pie in a dish. Guys, growing up I ate so much meat pie. It was one of my favorite snacks as a kid, but we ate the handheld ones. You can make it handheld or you can make it in a dish. It does not matter. It still tastes amazing. So guys, if you want to learn how to make meat pie my way, then just keep watching. And while you're watching guys, don't forget to like this video, share this video, leave comments in the comment section down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Please do so right now. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. So the first thing we'll need will be some ground beef, some mushrooms, sausage, pre-cooked potato cubes, onions, and we'll need some garlic, habanero peppers, and jalapeno peppers. And of course we'll need our pie crust. Today I'm using a store-bought pie crust, but feel free to make your own if you choose. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start by cooking my mushrooms. I'm gonna take my time with the mushrooms because I want to really cook it down, because I know that the longer you cook mushrooms, the more intense the flavor is. And guys, I love that intense mushroomy flavor. So now I've seasoned with some salt, which would help to draw out some of the moisture and help to really cook down these mushrooms. So at this point I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions. I'm gonna let these onions go for just about a minute or two until my onions are translucent and really fragrant. At that point I know my onions are good, and then I'm gonna add in my sausage. Guys, the sausage is completely optional, but I love it. It gives so much flavor to the pie. I'm telling you, it gives so much flavor. But if you don't have it, skip it. So now I've added my garlic and my spicy friends into the pan and I'm gonna give it 1 minute just to cook up the raw flavor of the garlic and also help the spiciness of the peppers come out. So now I've added my ground beef. And now guys, it's gonna take me just about 3 minutes just to cook this beef until it's completely brown. Okay, so you want to cook your meat until it's perfectly cooked. So now I'm gonna add my seasoning, starting with some salt, some black pepper, because guys, you know I love me some black pepper. Then I'm gonna add some smoked paprika, some rosemary, and I also have some Creole seasoning going on in there, guys. I'm telling you, feel free to season it to your liking. Whatever favorite seasoning you have, throw it in there, guys. It is your pie. It is your mouth. You season it the way you want it, okay? So this is the way I like it, and I've seasoned it perfectly just the way I want it. And I'm gonna just mix this whole thing together. At this point, I'm gonna add the water I used to cook my potato, because this is gonna act as a binder to keep the meat together so it doesn't fall apart when you're trying to eat it. Okay, so you feel free to use flour if that's what you like, but I love potatoes. So I'm covering this and I'm gonna let this cook for just about 5 minutes until everything is married together. So now that my filling is done, I'm gonna go ahead and begin to line my pie dish with my crust. Guys, like I said, I'm using a store-bought crust. I'm telling you, it works perfectly and it cuts down the time I spend in the kitchen. But if you want to make your own pie crust, please go ahead and do it. It is your pie, okay? So, but the store-bought one works perfectly. So using a kitchen scissors, I'm just gonna go ahead and trim out the excess pie crust because I don't need it, okay? But if you're gonna be crimping your pie crust, then don't cut off the excess ones, okay? So now I'm filling my pie with the filling. So I'm just adding my filling in there, and I'm gonna add just enough to get to the level of my pie dish. So now I'm gonna give it some good old thumping just to make sure every air bubble trapped in there escapes. So using my egg wash, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it all along the edges of my pie. So this is gonna allow the top layer of the pie crust to stick with the bottom layer, okay? So now I'm covering it with a second layer of the crust, and I'm gonna just press it down gently just to make sure everything looks good. Guys, I'm telling you, this is gonna be amazing. So this is me cleaning up my mess because I hate messes, okay? Just clean up your mess, clean up as you go. So using the same scissors, I'm gonna go ahead and trim off the excess pie crust. Guys, I'm telling you, when you trim it off, do not throw it away. I'm gonna roll it out and use it for a handheld pie, okay? So it's not wasted. So using my fork, I'm just gonna give some nice press to the edges of the pie just to make sure everything sticks together and also to make it look pretty. Guys, if you know how to crimp your pie, crimping is also a really nicer way to make pie, but your girl doesn't know how to make it, so I just use my fork and it works perfectly. So using the fork, I'm just gonna go around this pie to make sure everything is perfect. And the final step would be to add my egg wash all over the top layer of this pie, because this is gonna make it look so golden and beautiful when it bakes. I'm telling you, you cannot skip out on the egg wash. If not, your pie is just gonna be white and unattractive. So now I'm gonna poke some holes using a knife. So this is gonna allow the steam to escape when you're cooking the pie, okay? So it doesn't mess up your pie. So now using some little strips of foil, I'm gonna cover the edges of the pie, so this is gonna protect it so it doesn't get burnt while you're baking it. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and put my pie in my oven at 375 degrees for 35 minutes. 35 minutes to goodness and deliciousness. And this is what it looks like at the end, guys. Isn't this gorgeous? I'm telling you, it is gorgeous and it smells so good. My house is filled with the most delicious aroma, guys. I'm telling you, it is amazing. So now I'm gonna take a slice because I just cannot wait to dig into this one, because I'm telling you, it is so delicious. The sausages and the mushrooms with the meat, it's so good. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. So feel free to leave comments in the comment section down below and let me know if there's a way to make this better, or if there's any recipe you'd like to see me try. Guys, I would be so glad to try it for you. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, now will be the time to do it. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, okay? I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Love you. See you in the next video. Bye. Bye. No, we made it already.